today we're gonna try and break this Play-Doh in half, right?
Ow.
Right? And we're gonna and we're gonna bounce on the trampoline later. And if you want to watch that video, then you could watch it, and you could hang out and watch it. Can you guys help me open this thing? Hit that subscribe button down there. And yeah. No, we're not gonna go yet. Kaya, stop. We just need to put it right here. The camera. Here, let's just sit down right here and you can break the Play-Doh and show them. Here, sit down so you
Most
can
of it is out.
put it closer so they can see it. What color is that? What color is it?
It's green.
Good.
Watch me.
Okay, is there any more Play-Doh around here?
Yeah, there are 2. I don't know where the other one is.
It's okay.
Guys, that's not Play-Doh. That's
Well,
putty.
Is it okay if I use it?
Fine, bro. Put the Play-Doh away.
Ew.
Oh, this is putty.
Hey, I want to show you a cool thing with it. I don't have the much. So, this is putty.
This is, so, whenever we use it,
It's a bubble.
no.
Stop.
Kaya, give me it. Put it in.
Okay. I'll use the Play-Doh while you do that.
This is made for farting. If you want to trick somebody, then put this like inside your pocket or something so they can't see it, and then do this.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Yeah, so hit that subscribe button. Bye! No!